Don't buy Bitcoin, you stupid idiot. Okay, are you wondering if this is clickbait? I want to say upfront, absolutely 100% yes, it is. But I've got to get your attention because what is going on right now, it is not normal. What we're seeing with Bitcoin, with the crypto market, this is the kind of move that you would expect at a much later date. And so I want to bring that to your attention so that you can be wise about what to expect over the next several months and then even into 2025. I don't know what is 2025 even going to look like based off of what we're seeing now. You've got to have this all on your radar, and it's just a perspective. But before we dive on into this, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, and while I appreciate that so many of you, are hopping in here from all over the place, you've got to hit that subscribe button. I have price target videos dropping every day at 6 a.m. Eastern Time, United States, on the dot, and turn on that notification button as well so that you don't miss a thing. So let me tell you what I'm seeing here. And the first thing that I want to show you is just the Bitcoin chart in general. What happens usually during a normal bull run is we ride along the bull market support band here, the 21-week EMA, the 20-week SMA, but then if we get too far gone from that, that is a sign that we've either got to just keep on going up, or next time we come down to the bull market support band, we're just going to dump right through it. You look at this, 2021, you can see the weekly chart here. We just got too far gone. The next time we had any kind of interaction with that, there was so much fear in the market that we just flushed right through it, dumped right through. Same deal in November of 21. We got too far gone, and next time we came down to the bull market support band, we dumped right through it. This kind of price action just does not happen historically for Bitcoin. I mean, it did happen, the distribution top in 2019. So is this 2019? You could try to convince me that this is 2019, but there's a big difference between right now and 2019 that I just want to show you, and that has to do with what's going on with the altcoins. So the total 3 crypto market cap. I have here the peak in alt season, January of 2018 until until 2021. So early 2021, late 2020, early 2021, where were we in comparison to right now? You can see right in here, this is what 2019 looked like for the altcoins. They didn't even get up to their 236 retrace. So Bitcoin was the big winner of that 2019 move up to $14,000. But then we just ranged more and more. We had the COVID crash, okay, but range all between, the bottom of the bear market for the total 3 market cap, total 3, by the way, being minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then we just kept on ranging in there until we got some resistance, hit resistance for several weeks there in the end of 2020, finally broke through in November of 2020, did a little bit of a retest around some days here. We can't see that on the weekly chart, but then right after that, it was up only. Breakthrough, retest, up for the total 3 crypto market cap. Remember that, because that's what's happening right now in the total 3 crypto market cap. We broke through, didn't entirely hold it as support, but then we came back, held it as support, and now we're bouncing again. And it seems to me, now there's one of 2 ways we can go. And I'm going to say up or down, forgive me about that. But if we go down, we're going to have a perfect retest of the total 236 retrace, and then boom, we're off to the races. But it seems to me right now, if I were to describe where we are historically, we are in January of 2021. January of 2021 being right here. January of 2021. So what does that mean? That means, in my opinion, that we're making a move in the total 3 crypto market cap to some higher retrace levels. I'm thinking somewhere between 0.5 and 618. So Bitcoin has done I don't have the fib chart here. Bitcoin has done a 702 retrace. It did that yesterday. I have been targeting that as kind of a take profit point, holding my breath, hoping that we break through the 702 retrace. And now I am expecting the total 3 crypto market cap to do something very similar, at the very least, to get to a 618 retrace, or should I say the very least to a 0.5, but I do believe a 618 retrace, which means we're going to see about a 60% gain in altcoins very soon. Now, are we going to just keep on going on, putting in new highs for the total crypto market cap, the total 3? Well, that depends on where Bitcoin is going. If Bitcoin's going to stall out at the 702 retrace, in my opinion, what we're going to see here is a 618 retrace in the total 3 crypto market cap. If Bitcoin, you see Bitcoin at any time soon breaking through to a new all-time high, putting in price discovery mode, getting perhaps to $80,000, maybe 90, maybe even $100,000, then we're going to see new all-time highs. We're going to see alts absolutely rip. But as long as Bitcoin is hanging around $53,000, my target is somewhere between $711 billion and $812 billion for the total 3 crypto market cap. I am loading up on altcoins right now. And I've been talking about taking half off the table. I've already taken a lot of my Bitcoin off the table, and including my Bitcoin miners, and I'm waiting for alts now. I'm waiting for alts. I do want to remind you in my if not when video, and I posted this on Twitter too, look at where we are right now and look at where we got rejected yesterday. If you're wondering what this is, as long as we're in the yellow box, we are still in the yellow box here. I am treating this as if things are just going to go along as normal. And we'll see. If we enter into the green box, which I've been saying there's going to be heavy resistance at the bottom of the green box, $53,000. If we enter into the green box, then I have a mindset of Bitcoin will put in a new all-time high. Altcoins, the total 3 crypto market cap will break through all these retrace levels, do something like a 1.618, 2.618, maybe even higher retrace for the total 3 crypto market cap. But until we break through the green box, I have a mindset that we're not going any higher than a 618 retrace for the total 3 crypto market cap. But the next 3 months, I am bullish. A couple other things here. I just want to remind you, if we were to see Bitcoin, heaven forbid, go down to this level and break through the bottom of the yellow box, something is fundamentally wrong. And I do believe that we're going to put in a lower low than the previous bear market bottom of $15,800. I don't think there's a 0% chance that's going to happen. But right now, what we're seeing right now, I do believe that this right here was the peak. 55% was the peak for Bitcoin dominance, that we are on our way at least down to 48% Bitcoin dominance, 48.75% Bitcoin dominance, and that's what it's going to do is we're going to see a little bit of a rollover, a decent rollover into alts, a little bit towards Ethereum, but more so into the rest of the altcoins, and this would be my target. I think this is going to very much align with that 618 retrace that I'm talking here, $800 billion total 3 market cap. So that is what's on my radar right now. We're running out of steam for Bitcoin short term, in my opinion. Maybe we'll break through, but still, I don't think we're seeing a 2x in Bitcoin from here. We can see certainly much more than a 2x in a lot of your favorite altcoins for the next 3 months. That's what's on my radar. If anything changes with that perspective, I will let you know. But hey, it's an exciting time to be a crypto owner. I'm not excited about the idea that we would be front running this, but it seems to me like that is what's happening right now. We are front running the bull run because we all know what happens with the Bitcoin halving. Okay, so take it for what it is. I'm a little bummed, honestly, but I'm along for the ride, and you should be too. Not financial advice. If you got anything out of this video, if you got any benefit out of this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification button. I will be making many updates about this, and we'll be talking again soon. So otherwise, I will most certainly be seeing you in another video. Peace.